Miami to Orlando. For your continued safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Hello everyone, this is Charles Walt back again with your Disney World Universal Survival Guide. This video chronicles my visit to Walt Disney World and Universal Studios in the end of August to the first week of September. This is day 6, the last day, time to go back home, and most people will show you packing the bags and getting everything together and just putting it into the whole thing, maybe reminiscing about the fun times they had. Not here. We're going to go over our last hours, and our last hours were full of fun. My last hours in Disney World, it was spent in Disney's water park, Blizzard Beach. And this is one of the nicest water parks I've been to, of course, because it's Disney. Excellent theming. Okay, this is Blizzard Beach. Again, like I said, this is themed off of a ski resort that has been melted because I guess it went into the Florida sun. I don't know. But I do like the theming. I like the way it's set up, and I enjoyed myself immensely coming here. All right, first tip of the day. If you have a choice between picking a park hopper or Fun and More option, always pick the Fun and More option, because the Fun and More option will give you actually more bang for the buck. That will give you every day that you have a park, major park or major theme park day, you'll get a day at the water park and Disney Quest. So you can actually make a day out of it. If you decide to you want to take 3 days at the parks, the major parks, that will give you three more days at a water park or Disney Quest. That's what I pick every time, and it always pays off. Let me tell you what took place. It rains in Florida. It rains in Orlando, Kissimmee, Lake Buena Vista area all the time. You have to prepare for that. And we were not, I don't know what happened, we lost our mind for a second, but we were sitting under a canopy waiting for the rain to stop, because it was nice and clear when we got in. It started raining when we start to get settled. We're at a water park waiting under a canopy, and we're going to get wet, like really, really wet with bathing suits. And it wasn't cold. So I said, okay, let's go get lockers so our things and our other clothes will stay dry. And then we'll just get wet. This is Disney World, yes. But it's not going to be a completely vanilla or completely buttoned up situation, where you will have people in bathing suits, and some of the bathing suits are very skimpy, especially today. I experienced this before when I was here years ago, and it was just purely the South Americans, but nowadays everybody is wearing very skimpy bathing suits, so be prepared for that. All right, what did we do first? The first thing, me and my oldest son, we went on the Summit Plummet. This is one of the world's largest, tallest water slides. And this water slide is so far up, I'm taking shots of all the things that are around us, and you can see the whole park from there, the higher you get. And it's a very, very large, long drop. Now, As you see, I said in the video, ow. The reason why is because you're going so fast that you're actually skidding across the water, and that doesn't feel so good because you're going so fast. My youngest son, the day before, ate too many sweets. We let him do what he wanted to do because he was on vacation, and it messed his little stomach up. So I just sat and did some people watching. Eventually I said, come on buddy, we're gonna have to push through this. And he did. I even gave him a camera so he can shoot a video of his own. This is his work. All right, now we went on the toboggan slides. These slides are really fun. I'll put in the name of it. I can't remember the name this second. But these slides are really fun. It's almost like a race. And I go on it every time I come here, I go on it. It's just a lot. Unlike other water parks, Disney does a really good job. For the most part, you don't have to carry your inner tube or that was a toboggan up the hill. All right, time for lunch. I decided to go with the barbecue brisket, and my family decided to go with the pretzel cheese hot dogs. Pretzel cheese hot dogs appeared to be really good. They ate them real quick. My brisket was pretty nice too. All right, right after you eat, you're not supposed to go swimming. So let's go on the lazy river. After the lazy river, we went on another slide that I can't remember the name of that one either. I'll put the name of that one. That was a pretty good time, and as you can tell, I had a good time on this one too. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me. I hope you go to Disney World sometime soon. If you have any comments, please make sure you put the comments on here. Please don't forget to share and like. And if you haven't subscribed, check out my other videos on cigars, watches, distilled spirits, and the intermingling of all of those things. I'm Charles Wallingford. This Disney vacation is how I spent my money.